In this experiment, we will make a pendulum with the help of soda cans, plastic pen, wires and aluminium foil. Switch it on and leave it for some time. Place a soda can on the television. Place another soda can on the television. Place a plastic pen on the soda cans. Take a pendulum and place it on the pen. Take a wire and attach to the soda can. Take another wire and attach to the second soda can. Take an aluminium foil and place it on the screen of the Take a green wire. Let's do a new experiment. Here we learned that the circuit from the electricity of the television is completed at the ground level and hence the pendulum moves.